Let's see how we start, as we talked about before. First, the gets, which are already configured in PythonREST. We can start with bringing here the username inside the feed title, so we can see how we would do the get right away. Therefore, we could use fetch, a JavaScript method. But nowadays, Axios is widely used because it comes pre-configured with all the correct data and it's easier for us to work with it. So, let's go to Google. Search for Axios, the first one on the search, the Getting Started doc. Here at Axios, we can now see how to install it. It's always a step-by-step process. Oh, we have NPM for those who use it, Bower, and Yarn, which is ours. Let's go back to the code and open a new terminal. Here, we paste what we copied. Yarn add Axios. While it's installing, let's go back to the doc page. Clicking on Axios API doc, there is a way to use it, but we would have to import Axios every time we use it. So, we'll create an Axios instance within the project so that every time we make an HTTP request, we can just import the instance with our base URL. I'll show you how we're going to do this. Inside the source, create a folder. Let's create a folder inside it and call it appy. Inside it, we'll create a file called axios.js. We'll keep the JS standard here and paste our Axios here, which is already installed. Let's import it. Press Ctrl+ here. It already checks that it's installed, does the import, and as we want to use this in other files, let's put the export. Let's change the name from instance to appy to make it the same as the folder name to be more intuitive. So, from this point on, I can already put the configuration for the base URL we have from PythonREST and make our appy calls. Let's see in PythonREST how this would work. Remember that the generated PythonREST API is already running, so here in the browser we go to localhost:5000/swagger. So here we can see our PythonREST Swagger UI. Let's go to /user. So here we can already see the user information. Let's test to see how it would look, and click on Treat, and then on Execute.